This is DD Amanda stock screener and scanner for NYSE, OTC, NASDAQ, all the exchanges, and it lets you find these winning stocks. Now they use both user input and AI to find these things. Easy enough to use by total beginners and also has advanced features used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. Ain't that cool? I've used this and it's really, really good. So what do people say about this? They have some testimonials here. Um, I love you guys. It's well worth it. I made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Just digging DD Man. It just goes on and on. So, and look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. They got a 100% refund guarantee. Here's a live phone number that you can call. Down here are your subscription levels. They've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check it out, and then you got some other subscription levels here. Really, really well worth it, guys. Here's how you basically get free water. That thing's piped into my house, and in the summertime these mirrors pretty much heated up. I don't even have to make a fire, but in the wintertime it takes about 20 minutes to get it hot as hell. And then there's the relief valve up there and the overspout. And then there's a pressure gauge right here. Check the pressure, it'll go up. And then as an added bonus, see that hose coming out? It's a long hose. And what it is a steam cleaner. So if I get it really hot, there's actually steam comes out of this. So it's a real good deal. Pretty easy to make too. You know, you can find old water heaters that are still good that people throw out. Or I go to a plumbing place and they have hot water heaters outside in the yard that they're just going to, people are going to pick them up. They recycle them. There is quite a bit of work involved in getting the outer shell off. And, but that's it. Great thing to have. Save a lot of money. You can use AI to find winning stocks. Check out these examples. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DD Amanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert. And look at this drag ratio, maxed out. Up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DD Amanda is your answer. Everybody that tries DD Amanda loves it. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DD Amanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.